Hey there, fellow cyclists! Want to keep your ride smooth and extend the life of your bike? It all starts with proper chain maintenance. Your bicycle chain is the heart of your drivetrain, constantly working hard. Neglecting it can lead to poor performance and costly repairs. But don't worry, maintaining your chain is easier than you think. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the essential steps. We'll cover everything from cleaning off grime to applying the perfect amount of lubricant. Let's get started. First up, cleaning. You'll need a few simple tools: a sturdy brush, a degreaser, and some clean rags. Begin by applying your degreaser directly to the chain. Make sure to get it into all the nooks and crannies. Rotate the pedals backward slowly to ensure the degreaser coats the entire chain surface thoroughly. Now, take your chain brush and scrub away. Focus on removing all the built-up dirt and grime. Don't forget the cogs and derailleur pulleys. These areas also accumulate a lot of gunk and need attention. A dirty chain not only looks bad but also causes excessive wear on your entire drivetrain. So, scrub thoroughly. Once you've scrubbed, use a clean rag to wipe off the degreaser and loosen dirt. You'll see the grime come right off. Repeat this process until your chain looks visibly cleaner. It might take a few passes, depending on how dirty it was. For stubborn grime, you might need to reapply degreaser and scrub again. Patience is key here. After cleaning, it's crucial to rinse your chain thoroughly with water to remove all degreaser residue. Then, dry the chain completely with another clean, dry rag. Moisture can lead to rust, which we definitely want to avoid. Make sure every link is dry. You can rotate the pedals backward while drying to reach all parts. Now that your chain is sparkling clean and dry, it's time for the next vital step: lubrication. Choosing the right lubricant is important. There are wet lubes for damp conditions and dry lubes for dusty environments. For general riding, a good all-purpose lube works well. Apply a small drop to each chain link. As you apply, slowly rotate the pedals backward. This ensures the lubricant penetrates every part of the chain. Don't overdo it. A little goes a long way. Too much lubricant will attract more dirt and grime. Once you've applied the lube to all links, continue rotating the pedals backward for about 30 seconds. This helps the lubricant fully penetrate the rollers and pins, where it's most needed for smooth operation. After allowing the lubricant to settle for a minute or two, it's time for the final, crucial step: wiping off the excess. Take another clean, dry rag and gently pinch the chain between your fingers. Rotate the pedals backward. You'll see the excess lubricant come off onto the rag. This is important because external lube attracts dirt. A chain that's too wet on the outside will quickly become a magnet for dust and grit, undoing all your hard work. Keep wiping until the chain looks almost dry to the touch, but still feels slick. The lubrication is now inside the links. And there you have it, a perfectly clean and lubricated bicycle chain, ready for your next adventure. Regular chain maintenance offers numerous benefits. You'll experience smoother gear changes and a quieter ride. More importantly, it significantly extends the life of your chain and other expensive drivetrain components. Think of it as preventative care for your bike. A little effort now saves you a lot of money and hassle later. Aim to clean and lubricate your chain every 100-200 miles, or after every particularly wet or dirty ride. It's a simple habit that makes a huge difference to your cycling experience. Your bike will thank you. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more bike maintenance tips. Happy riding and keep those chains spinning smoothly.